Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Electrical Boost. Today we are start our brand new series analog circuit design with masterclass. Okay, in this video, in the first video we will understand what is the exactly an analog circuit is, and why the analog circuit is analog design is the heart of every electronic system. Suppose from the in this topic we are go with from basic to and the field uses work. Okay, in this topic we start with a very basic. First we know in the what is the exactly analog circuit. Okay, what is the analog and basic difference with the digital. Okay, every electronic system, you know, every electronic system we are discussing with this one. Every electronic system, suppose consider this is system or mobile phone. Okay, and sensor, all the thing, mobile phone, suppose mobile phone and some sensor, everything required that analog circuit or electronic device required analog device, because something you mobile phone, you know that our voice is some real life some signal, that signal need to convert to electrical. For that reason we required some analog electronic circuit, so that we can the voice to we can convert this to some particular electrical signal. First, every electrical system, every electrical or electronics electrical or electronic system, basically electronic system consists of two things, consists of two things. One is analog and another is digital. One is analog, another one is digital. Then we know what is the analog and what is the digital. Suppose you think analog is a continuous signal. Analog is a continuous signal. With time it will continuously changing. But the digital case, this is the analog. Basic thing you know already, but I just for that going to our topic, just I discussing. After that next video we will go for depth about the component, all things. Okay, this is the again, and this is the digital. Digital means just means you can go for the high and low, that is suppose 1 and 0 discrete value or binary value. Okay, this is can every interval it will continuously taking. Suppose you can consider your something sound, your voice and some temperature. Okay, this is considered as analog signal, and this is with digital signal. If you go for the analog case, it is a analog circuit can be very precise. Analog circuit is very precise. Analog circuit is a very precise circuit. Okay, analog circuit is very precise and as compared to digital. But in the analog case what happens, suppose this is the noise, this is the suppose your voice, when you transmit to some circuit, some noise will have occurring, some unwanted noise. For that the signal going to affected. Okay, so for that reason we need to design proper analog circuit to make whatever your voice exactly we can send to the our system for further process. For the further process we need a analog circuit. Okay, in the analog circuit for you can go for the real life example. Suppose you consider your mobile phone microphone is the one analog circuit. Microphone, what happened there in microphone, just in our voice will microphone, this is the analog circuit, it going to convert to some electrical signal, so that the system will, electronic system will understandable signal. Okay, for that our consider how the proper layer voice is exactly convert to electrical signal. So that we, for that if you go with proper signal, then you can be a good analog electronics designer. Okay, for example, in the analog circuit you can something scaling circuit. Suppose I give you example how the circuit will be. Suppose you consider, we suppose input I give 10 volt. Okay, if our requirement is 5 volt or tuning circuit, for that reason you can use one resistor, normal case, but some other case also happening. For that I going to use, this is suppose 5 ohm resistor and this is the 5 ohm resistor. I give 10 volt, our requirement 10 volt to 5 volt, so that here I can get output of 5 volt, here our input is 10 volt, I can get here 10 volt. This is the ground. Here in this all module we can discuss what is the signal, what is the signal symbol, what is the use of component, all thing we going to discuss in our next video. One by one topic we will going to cover. What is the scaling, what is the rectifier, all thing we go to. Next video we are going to some component, what are the component used for that designing the analog circuit, basically that is the introduction or fundamental analog circuit that handle the continuous or real world signal and convert them into electrical for further processing. Basically I told now that voice will convert to some electrical signal, so that we can further process, something will transfer to other system. After that some digital work also happen. Okay, next for the further processing. Okay, next video we get a component and all thing AC DC about sources and all symbols like this thing we are going to discuss. Okay, if you found this video helpful for you, give it a like. Okay, share with your friend and subscribe to Electrical Boost so you don't miss the next video. Okay, until the next time, keep learning and keep powering become a smart engineering mind. Okay, thank you.